Hi there, Maureen from Color Me Positive PLR. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use mirror magic in Artistly in order to get images that you like and create more of them. Okay, so you're going to come over to Fast AI Image Designer and you're going to click on Create from Prompt. Okay, and then what you're going to do, instead of typing in a prompt, you're going to upload an image or take it from your library if you have that. And I'm going to upload one. Okay, so this cute clip art cat in a teacup. And then I'm going to ask it to describe this. And it'll give me a prompt to use. Okay, so this is the prompt. And I'm just going to say use prompt because you can't edit it in here. But I'm going to use the prompt. And I'm just going to do it as is for now and see what it turns out like just right from the start. Okay, I'm going to leave it at 1:1 and generate the image. And you can do this with any image that you like. Okay, doesn't just have to be clip art, could be a social media image, could be a coloring page, depending on what you're wanting to recreate. Okay, so this is cute, but not exactly like the image I uploaded, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here, click on the eye, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to copy the prompt. And then I'm going to take that prompt and I'm going to go over to AI Art Illustrator and I'm going to plug it in here to clip art. So the style I'm going to use is clip art for this one, and we'll see what comes up. And I also don't want it to have any background in it, just a white background so that I can take it out if I want to. So I'm going to go through here and see what it's saying. So this is all good. White paws. Cup is adorned with orange and yellow maple leaves. Okay, so here it's saying the background is a warm gradient orange with scattered leaves, creating an overall, okay, and goes on. The overall design is playful, blah, 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 and I don't want any of that. Okay, I don't know what just happened to my screen. Okay, what I want to put here, I'm going to take all this out. I'm going to put isolated on a white background. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here and generate that image and see what it gives me. See if it's a little closer to what I uploaded. Now, it's never going to be perfect or totally emulate the image, but I want the basic design to kind of reflect the uploaded image. See, that's a lot better. Very cute. I think maybe I wanted a little bit more of a watercolor. Okay, so instead of using clip art, I'm going to come down here and use this, the watercolored, and I'll plug that in and see if it gives me a bit more of what I want. And you just keep doing this because you might want to take the other image you got, right? And you might want to change it into a different style completely, right? So you would just try out the different styles and keep going until you get what you want. Okay, but I don't know why it's giving me that background. Let's see what the prompt says here. Oh, we kept that in. Okay. Oh, because I didn't copy the one with just the white background. Okay, so let's do that again. I'm going to go to AI Art Illustrator, come down here to this watercolor, paste that in, and then I got to take out the background. So just put here, isolated on a white background, and then see what it comes up with. Let's do that. It's really cute though. If you want that, you could leave the background in, but I want to make it a clip art image, so I want to be able to take out the white background. There you go. See? Very cute. Just what I wanted. And now, okay, I want to create more than a cat, right? So I'm going to make sure I copy this prompt properly this time. Now I'm going to want these in the same style. Okay, so I'm going to go back, or actually I could just come in here and say regenerate, and it'll give me the prompt and bring it down here. And what I'm going to do here is change it from a small orange and white kitten to a small, let's see, brown and tan puppy. Okay, let's see, the puppy has large, round, I want him to have blue eyes, and I don't want the pink nose. So let's just get rid of that. Puffy fur and white paws. Okay, we could have that. And just leave it. So it'll be the same style, but with a different animal in the teacup. So let's see what happens with that. Okay, taking a little long tonight. There we go. Look how cute he is. Oh my gosh, now I want a new puppy. Awesome. So, and you could just keep doing that, right? I mean, you can, and if you want to, just download them, right? You can download it there, whichever ones you want. But I want to make something else. So I'm going to click on regenerate again because I like the background, the style. And then here I'm going to put whimsical illustration of a small, let's say, gray elephant. Okay, the elephant. I'm going to leave it all the same. And we're not going to put with fluffy furs. I'm just going to leave with paws. So put paws, feet. But let's see what it does with paws so I don't have to change a lot of things. Let's see what it comes up with. So cute. Oh my God. I need a new puppy. Oh, okay. Oh, these are so sweet too. Look at that. And then you could just keep going like that, right? So you want an elephant, maybe you want a bird in there, a frog, whatever it is you're looking for. And you can create it like that. And again, you can do this with any image through Mirror Magic and upload it and just work with it on the style that you want. Okay. Yeah, that's it.